graveyard and keep a brave heart. We about to break off. This for my amigos. Swallow all that pride down and chase it with your ego. The war is on the inside. It's good versus evil. I speak for the people. I handcrafted each flow, made in the ether. These songs are my ethos. Give me my ethereum and I can show you beast mode. I'm living out the dream. Nothing you should sleep on. Haters trash talk, but I'm not the one to speak on. Recognize that I specialize. I'm a specialist. Set for life. Better get prepared. We were set for this. Better exit out right now. Is your exodus, and you'll be right there in the place that I left you in. I've been through a war zone. Purple-hearted veteran. This'll be a massacre. My face with the leather skin. We can go on and on. It'll never end. But I think it's time that you know you can never win. I got a brave heart. I ain't scared of you, boy. I got a brave heart. I work hard every
Morning traders, this is Rich with Breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is January 22nd, 2026. I hope you did well on the market. I did okay in the market. Let's get it. Here we are on today on Quantower. As it's moving around, I'm going to skip around a little bit. Here we are on Quantower. 420 on Quantower. Actually, let's get some more.
Shit. Here we go again.
There we go, 568. Sorry about that. I cannot, seriously, I cannot look at a chart, man. This is why you see the sporadic trading. I go back and I go back and I go back. Hey, my shit's real. And for all those fakes out there, shut your suck and take off those knee pads, okay? Shut your suck and take off those knee pads. This shit's real, I'm for real, and I got a skill that nobody can take away from me. I don't give a shit about your P&L, period. You saw I just did this video. I'm already done trading, so now I got to go back and look at history of. Okay, now I'm at 91% hit rate today. 91%, and I'm not getting the fills. I'm not getting all my fills. It was sporadic. I didn't want to hit it short all the way down. I was rotating accounts this morning, and I could see the spreads were like shitty. My fills were way off. When I pound the market and get in, they were way off. I mean, the level of the line where it said I got in was not even accurate, okay? And I still traded with all of these negative variables against me, one account after the other. So this account, now I'm up to $568. How many points was that? 14 and a half points, almost 15 points. 15 points in the market, 60 ticks, okay? So that was 60 ticks in the market. So we can add that up, right? And you have these world record, world-renowned, number 2, number 1, people getting on here talking a bunch of bullshit, okay? If you follow bullshit, you're gonna trade like bullshit, right? And if you follow bullshit, you're not gonna be profitable. But let's get into this video. Don't get me started. Now I'm seeing the market and I gotta get the hell out of here because I'm gonna start trading again. But like I said, you saw it right in front of you, right? No hesitation, quick, painless, accurate, boom, 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 boom. I don't know what else to say, right? But I need to get off this chart. So the first one is 568 now on that first account. Let's go to the next account. Next account, 282. Next account, 282. Actually, I'm going to change the way I'm doing stuff right now because I can't sit here and watch the market or I'm going to start trading. It's that real for me, but I'm not going to sit here and watch this thing. So this next account, 282. There we go on this account here, 248. Next account, 282. And the last account, 212. So that's where we're at. I'm going to get out of this Quantower, seriously. I'll start trading. So we're going to go back over those accounts, okay? Here's the first account we were talking about. And you just saw me trade some more on it. So I picked up, I think $150 more on it, $160 more on it very quickly in the market. You saw right when I populated the screen, I was going to do this video. I saw the move, I got in, and bada bang. So anyways, here on this one, we're talking about ticks and points, and this is probably the last fucking one I'm going to be doing on this bullshit, okay? But when I say I'm going to do something, I do it, I prove it, it's consistent, and I could call bullshit. All right. So, anyways, the first trade was 20 points. 20 points in the market. That was the first trade. Another 13 points. The next chart, which is the same one, another 18 points. Next chart, with profit of 282, 36 points. The next account, 248, 14.5 points in the market, which is 58 ticks. Next account, 7.75 points, which is 31 ticks in the market. That account had $40. I came back and traded it. Here's that account right now. I saw that it had $40 and said, shit, I'm gonna get back in the market. I can't leave that pup behind. Here's another one, 282, 25 points, 25.75. This is 18 points here. This is 9.7 points here. And we are going to get to traders. Let me give you a reminder. Take it for whatever it's worth. You decide. You are who you hang out with. It's your future, not my future. I wish you well. Check this out, and then we'll continue.
So many people go into trades planning to win. You have to go into every single trade planning to lose and planning to lose the next 20 in a row. And if you can't do that, you're probably overlevered. I cannot tell you how many people do intraday trading and don't look at a weekly chart of the same thing or a daily chart.
No, I know.
And they think it doesn't matter. But just like you see those patterns in those 15-minute, 1 hour, 5-minute, 1 minute, whatever you're doing, you'll see them on the daily. And sometimes you'll see something on a daily or weekly and you're like horrified, like, oh no, it looks great on this 10-minute chart, but oh no, you look at the daily, no, I'm good. And you'll save yourself that way. So I think that's often forgotten by traders. They think it doesn't matter. There's no system that will work in every type of market. It doesn't exist. So you have to accept that whatever style of trading are using, that it won't work in every market cycle. Now, a market's either going straight down, straight up, or like sideways, or, like up, down kind of thing. So you need to kind of test it in all of those environments. And then, maybe you'll find a strategy that works in every environment, but doesn't work straight down. A lot of times scalpers, they're like, okay, I'm trying to make a 20-point tick, and they get it and they're happy. And then it goes up 300 ticks. You just miss all that. That's not a success to me. Now, again, everyone's trading style is different. So statistically, people can make money doing that. And if that's what works for them, it works for them.
Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone trades differently, but there is a system. I have created a system. I understand the market. I understand the algorithm and how the market moves. For anyone to assume that scalpers don't know how to scalp, I am here showing you skill. It's not about the money. You can multiply that by your 50 lots, 100 lots, whatever you want. A skill will never leave your soul. A skill speaks for itself. Here at this channel, we're not doing the word salad stuff. If you can't look and see a skill, no matter who it is, a football player, baseball player, you don't have any business at breathingwiththemarkets.com. You're not teachable. Let's finish the video. For the day, it's $1,674. Commissions and fees, $83.50. Net P&L, $1,590. 167 trades, traders, 167. 152 winning trades. There's executions in the market. And 91.02% hit rate. Now I'm going to tell you right now, again, listen, Mr. Brain. 91%, it says my hit rate was. I'm green on all the accounts. In a fast market, you're more than likely and almost guaranteed to have red in your column. What do I mean by that? Because the market's moving fast, and when it goes and fills your order, you might have 20 positions. It doesn't matter if it's micros or minis, okay? I traded 15 minis. All of a sudden, it goes through my TP or an area, and all of a sudden, it fills 3 out of the 15. That's bullshit. They should fill 12 out of the 15 and come back and close the 3, right? But no, it closes 3, and a lot of times they'll close in 3. But you don't know that because you don't know how to trade. You don't know that because you don't trade volume. You don't know that because you follow fake-ass gurus. You don't know that because you follow podcasts that have their own plan, and they keep getting the same people that saying the same shit, but 99% of the people in the population are not profitable at trading, and it's not because of their fault. It is not their fault. Then you have these trolls going around trying to cause shit, trying to ask stupid ass questions. If you can't see a skill, stay the fuck out of the market. If you can't go to the ball game, and whether you like the Dodgers or you don't like the Dodgers, if you can't see talent on the field, maybe baseball's not for you, right? And if you can't see talent in the trading industry, maybe, just maybe, trading is not for you. And unfortunately, when they were showing watches, cars, fancy things, girls, boats, parties, you're attracted to that bullshit. Listen, you need your health, family, and a career, and have a skill. Okay? That's what you need in life. So today, $1,674 in a matter of minutes in the market. If you want to learn how to trade, like seriously trade, not gamble, and you want a methodical approach to the market, come on over to breathingwiththemarkets.com. I will send my chart to the traders. Or they can actually see. I don't need to send my chart. They understand. And if I told them I was short today, they would understand. They could go back and look. Why? If I told them I was long, they can go back and look and understand why. It's not a matter of opinion. I don't have a mentee that's going to give their own opinion. I don't have another one that's going to have an opinion against another opinion in our group sessions. I ask them specifically and recorded. I request, I want you to debate. If you see something wrong, if you see something that doesn't work, please notify me. Notify me here, in person, transparent. Speak up. Speak up. We're all in this together. In my little group, right, at People with Traders with Breathingwiththemarkets.com, I filter information to them and only them. They understand and see. And for all those swing traders, it's kind of funny, right? I looked at my account, live account, and it was funny, you know, like, if I'm a swing trader, so scalpers don't know what they're doing, right? They don't know what they're doing. They come up like 33% already this year on one of my swing trades, but it's an investment, traders. It's an investment. 33% already. Now, will it end 33%? No, but I could, right? I could just cut it off, right? And throw my hands up in the air and say, oh, I was up 33% this year. Listen, traders, if you have money, it's not difficult to make money in the market. It's not difficult, okay? When you have a bull market, you don't even have to have a brain. So when you have multi-million-dollar traders get on here and claim, I'm gonna make $1 million next year. I'm gonna make $2 million next year. Hey, fucktard, it's a bull market. If you have money, close your eyes and point and shoot, right? And hopefully you hit a good company. I mean, you fall for that shit. If you want to know information and you want to follow a real trader, and what is a real trader, right? If you don't know the definition of a real trader, then you may want to figure it out. A real trader actually has a skill in the market. Not someone that knows all these big words. Not someone that can fucking type and make no errors in life. Not somebody that uses proper English and a tie, and I've been with this person for 20 years, and they all look fucking good. But traders that have a skill that can actually follow the market can just go, God, there's so much bullshit out here. It is. It's $1 billion industry of fraud. Billions and billions of dollars of fraud in the trading world. Billions. Trillions. Trillions. Yes. You like to see fancy watches and cars and everything else. I teach a skill. How hard is it to learn a skill? You can actually see your own progress. You know if you should be playing softball or baseball. You know you should be playing in the C League or the A League in softball. And those who play softball understand what that means, right? Right? You know that in the A League there were professional athletes that play on those teams, and that's why they have these home runs, right? The first person that hits a home run is the designated home run hitter, or there's so many home runs in a game that you can have with different individuals, because they just sit there all day long and hit it out of the park, right? Once you can hit the ball out of the park, why do they have restricted flight balls, right? They're tired of chasing the shit in the parking lot, right? And someone picks it up and takes it home. I mean, if you can't see a skill, don't send me some stupid shit, right? Watch the videos. If my videos aren't for you, just fucking move on, man. You're not welcome. You're not welcome. You don't have to like my videos, that's not what I'm saying. But if you want to throw shade this way, no, you can't challenge a fucking skill, guru, okay? You can't challenge a fucking skill, right? It's like telling somebody that they hit a home run in the World Series and then fucking come around saying, he got lucky. He doesn't have skill. Show us you can do it again. You fucktard. It's amazing. It's amazing. That's why I don't have Discords. I don't have Discords because of that. Because you have somebody that goes in there that's not happy with themselves and starts to blame everyone but themselves and keep challenging. Yes, trading is hard. Trading is really fucking hard when you don't know what you're doing, right? When you don't know what you're doing, it's hard. But you know what? Here's the difference, traders. When you gamble, trading is not hard. Listen to me carefully. When you gamble, trading is not hard. It's not hard pushing a button on a weekly time frame, having money. Oh yeah, I sit there, I fucking crack. Hold on a minute. Fucking drink my coffee. Whiskey. Damn good in the morning. Think about it. When you just push a button, hit back, lay back, nothing to fucking worry about. I think I'm gonna post. I think I'm gonna do a little 30-second video. This is what I do. I just fucking take it long or I just take it short. And I just let the money fucking run. Listen, traders, that is not trading. If you think it's trading and you follow them fucking gurus, that's your problem. That's your problem. You are not going to be profitable. You be consistent. Try that thousands and thousands of times and every day. You try that as many times as possible in a day and you tell me that's profitable. You tell me. Don't get this fucking one trade Sally bullshit in a month and all of a sudden I'm this trend trader and I made $500,000 last year. Oh shit. Someone said that was my uncle's account. I don't know. Come with me and trade live, traders. I put 20 and 30 contracts on. Come on and trade live with me, Danny. And all of a sudden he gets caught using a fucking demo. And he created a prop firm with J-Dun. Come on, man. Seriously? You follow them fucking people? I'm not talking about J-Dun, but you follow these fucking fake ass gurus? You follow that shit? Why? Because it's Generation Z? Come on. You follow that shit? How to become a millionaire in 10 seconds. How to become broke in 5. Right? You need a skill. When you get in a car in the morning, you have a skill. You haven't thought about that, have you? I'm the only trader on here, and I'm not taking away from anyone. I know scalpers. I've said that they were good scalpers. I know them. They know me. Right? I'm not the best in the world, but I know how to follow that market. And the scalpers that I do know, they don't know how to follow the market like I do, but they got their own gig. Right? They have their own gig. They have what works for them. They're taking a slice out of the pie. I want the whole fucking pie. I want to be able to trade up, down, sideways. I don't care. I just got on this damn platform. I tried to put myself on trader probation, not fucking trading after I already have money. Because every time I do a video and I have this live platform come on here in Quant Tower, I start seeing shit. It draws me in, traders. It draws me in. That's not called overtrading. If you know how to trade, there is no such thing as overtrading. Overtrading is chasing a dream. Overtrading is chasing a dream. You're trying to make back what you lost and you don't even have a skill. That's called gambling. I didn't use a stop loss here, did I? If it goes against me, I smack that fucker again. You understand where you're at in the market. Why you need a stop loss? Why? Because you don't know where you're at in the market. Have a great day. Peace, traders.